Hello YouTube. So for today's project we've got a Molle 2 frame, and it has been kind of bent a little bit, out of shape. Well, not considerably out of shape, but the sides have either bent and or cracked a bit, if you can tell here once this focuses. And yeah, it just kind of has this weak point. So I'm going to attempt to repair this with the help of some pliers and a blowtorch. So my reasoning being, you can weld, if you will, so to speak, plastic back together. So yeah, let's see how it goes, and I'll